Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two different job updates for today. So the first company for today it is Amgen, and the second thing is the LexisNexis Risk Solutions. So we'll discuss the job details, eligibility criteria and the application form for the same. So this particular hiring, that is Amgen, so they are looking for the freshers, that is for the role associate software engineer, and the job ID for this it is R240229. You can also ask for the referral, and it's an on-site opportunity. So and the work location, so it's Hyderabad, and here they have mentioned the job responsibilities. And coming to the qualifications, so this particular role, so it is for the bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering, and also you must have at least 2+ years of experience in software development, and also the master's degree in either computer science, engineering with 2+ years of experience in software development. And so coming to the key skills, you should have hands-on experience with the full stack, that is basically they have mentioned the React framework, RESTful API development, and TypeScript and the JavaScript, SQL as well as NoSQL, and knowledge of Databricks. So these are the main skills they have mentioned. So complete a full stack skills you have to know, basically front end they have mentioned React, which is mandatory, and some knowledge on SQL and AWS is needed. So these are the details about this particular hiring. And coming to the application form, so this is through Workday Jobs. So it has various options, so you can autofill with resume, or you can apply manually, or else you can use your last application. You can apply with Seek, or else you can apply with LinkedIn. So you have multiple options to apply. So make sure you have the account with the Workday Jobs, so you can update the resume accordingly, and you can apply, or else if your LinkedIn profile is up to date, you can directly apply with the LinkedIn. So make sure you add the React front-end React skills, and then database skills. So these are the details about the first company. And coming to the second company, that is LexisNexis Risk Solutions. So they are looking for the software engineering, so in which you will be undergoing the Tech Accelerate graduate program, so which will be it will be conducted in the month of August. So this particular hiring, so it is for the entry level opportunity, so who want to start their career in software engineering. So this is an opportunity for them. So initially you will be undergoing a 12-month training or the experience, in which it is divided into 2 6-month rotations, in which you will be getting hands-on experience with the big data, artificial intelligence, then SRE, software reliability, DevOps, testing, and the security engineering. So you will be getting hands-on experience with all of these technologies, which is divided into 6-month rotations. So those who are selected, so initially will be ongoing this program, and you'll be getting exposure to the leading cloud platforms like AWS as well as Microsoft Azure. So this is a good opportunity for the freshers who want to start their career in the software engineering. Based on the hands-on experience, so whichever tech stack you'll be learning all these technologies, and based on that you will be added into the project based on your performance and the project submission, everything. So these are the you can go to the roles and responsibilities. And coming to the eligibility criteria, so the applicants, they must have the graduation date before July 2026 to be considered, and the eligibility is that bachelor's in degree in computer science or the related field. And coming to the key skills, you should have knowledge on any of the programming languages. It can be Java, Python, JavaScript, JSP, Java Servlet Pages, C or C++, and HTML, so anyone is needed. And some knowledge on software development methodologies. It can be agile methodology or the waterfall model, and some core concepts, CS concepts, and the test driven development. So these are the complete details about this hiring. So this particular hiring is also through Workday Jobs, so you can use any of these options to apply for this. So these are the details about this company. So these are the 2 updates for today, and the link for both of these 2 companies, so it will be provided in the description, so you can apply for these roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe the channel for more updates.